Hello kids, welcome to our phonics lesson once again, and also welcome to new month. My name is Evans Forti Kwao, and one of the following teachers in CIA. And today I have the last lesson for you all about the letters of the English alphabet. And what is the last letter in the English alphabet? And that letter is after letter Y. Yes. The last letter in English alphabet. Okay. Good. So if you're able to say this one, then you are correct. So this is letter Z, and the last letter in English alphabet. Letter Z, and the last letter in English alphabet. Now, you can see you have two different two letters here. The same letter, but one is bigger than the other. So the bigger one is called the uppercase Z. So this one is the uppercase Z written in blue color, and the one in red color is the lowercase z. So you have the uppercase Z and the lowercase z. The two are in the same shape, but one is bigger than the other. Good. So as I said earlier on, today we are going to look at the last letter in English alphabet, and that's letter Z. So you have the uppercase Z and the lowercase z. Okay, good. This letter Z has a sound, and the sound was getting from bees. So look at me. Bees. How a bees fly. Zzz. I'm taking it again. Zzz. Okay, so you can practice with me. Zzz. So the letter Z sound as Z. 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 Z, 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 z. Okay, so now this is the sound for letter Z. So, Z, 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 Z. Don't forget like bees. Z. Okay, good job. So now this is the letter name Z, and it sound Z, Z, Z. Again, letter Z sound as Z, Z, Z. Once more. Let's say it together. Z, 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 Z. Good. So now we know the letter name and also its sound. So let's look at some words that start with a sound, or that we can find the sound in those words, so that it will help you to remember the sound always. And the first picture that I'm going to show you is a place where different kinds of animals are being kept. It's a place, different kinds of animals are kept. What place is that? Okay? And that place, the word start with the sound z, z, z. Okay. Okay, so if you're able to say this place, then you are correct. If you're able to say this place, then you are correct. So this is zoo, 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 zoo. So you can see that we have different kinds. It's a place where different kinds of animals are found or are kept. So you see elephant, alligator, lion, tiger, giraffe, and different kinds of animal. Good. Okay, so now let's look at how we can pronounce the word by using the sound of letter Z. Okay, so now let's start. And I want you to practice with me or to repeat after me. Z. 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 Zoo. Z. 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 Zoo. Again. Z. 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 Zoo. Okay, you have about 3 seconds to practice before we continue the lesson. Good. So once more. Z. 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 Zoo. Now, this is how we write the word zoo. So, zoo, Z, O, O, zoo. Again, zoo. Z, O, O, zoo. And this letter here sound as Z, Z being underlined. Okay. Now, I also have another picture to show you in order to help you to remember the sound always. And that picture is animal. And that animal is having a color like this: white, black, white, black, white, black, white, black. And it is very beautiful animal. Yes, what animal is that? Okay. Yes. Yes. So, what is the name of this animal? Zebra. Good. Zebra. 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 Okay, good. As you can see, it's very beautiful animal. Good. Good. Okay. So now let's use the sound to pronounce this word. Good. So now let's start from the letter name. Z. 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 Zebra. Z. 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 Zebra. Z. 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 Zebra. Okay? Let's take it once more. Z. Z. zebra. Okay, good job. And this is how you write the word zebra. Z E B R A, zebra. So let's spell the word again. Z E B R A, zebra. Zebra. Okay, so the first letter here underlined sound Z, Z. Okay, so now let's take it once more before we move to the next picture. Z, 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 zebra. Z, 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 zebra. Okay, good. Now let's look at the next picture. And this picture we normally use to connect our dress or shirt. It can be shirt, it can be nika. Okay, so after you put on, then you do something like this. Krr, 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 krr. Yes, what is that? Okay, this one. Okay, so you see, after you put on your shirt, then you put it up, okay? Krr, krr, krr. Okay, and what is its name? Zip, 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 zip. Okay, good. Good. Okay, okay, good. So now let's also start from the letter name. Z, 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 zip. Z, 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 zip. Once again. Z, 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 zip. Okay, good. And this is how we write the word zip. Z I P. Good. So the first word Z, Z, zip, zip. Okay, so now let's take it again. The word or the letter name is Z. Z. The sound Z, 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 Z. Okay, now we are going to use the sound to go through all the words and about. Okay, Z, 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 zoo. Z, 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 zoo. Z, 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 zebra. Z, 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 zebra. Z, 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 zip. Z, 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 zip. Okay, good. So now we know the letter name and its sound, and also some words that start with the sound Z or letter Z. So now let's look at how to write letter Z. Okay. Okay, so now we know the letter name and its sound, and also some words that start with the sound Z. Okay, so now let's learn how to write the letter Z. Okay, now to write letter Z, you first start at a point like this, and then you draw a line horizontally to a point, then you draw another line, and this line is sloping line to the left. Okay, so this is the second step, also to a point, then you draw another horizontal line to the right. Good. So this is letter Z. Good. This is letter Z. The uppercase Z. The lowercase Z is also the same shape as the uppercase Z, but this one is small size. Okay. So here is it. Also the same shape as I said. Good. So now let's trace together in order to get the full shape of letter Z. So now you draw a line to pass through the broken lines. Okay, so you trace. Let's go. Z. Okay. Good. And the last step. Good. So this is the uppercase Z. Now let's also trace the lowercase Z. And this is the lowercase Z, also the same as the uppercase. Good. So this is how to write letter Z, both the uppercase and the lowercase. Okay, good. Now let's go over our lesson again. So this is letter Z. That's the letter name, letter Z, and it sounds as Z, Z, Z. Letter Z sound as Z, Z, Z. Good. Now these are some words that also start with the sound Z. So let's take it once. Okay. Z, 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 zoo. Z, 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 zoo. And zoo, Z, O, O, zoo. Again, zoo. Z, O, O, zoo. Go. The next, Z, 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 zebra. Z, 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 zebra. And zebra, Z, E, B, R, A. Zebra again. Z, E, B, R, A. Good job. And the last picture here is Z. So we also go the same steps or the same procedure. Z, 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 zip, Z, 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 zip, and zip, Z, I, P. Zip again. Z, I, P. Okay, and this is how we write letter Z. You have 3 steps. The first step, you draw a line, and then another sloping line, and then the last one here. The same shape as the lower case. So this is all about letter Z. Okay, this is all about letter Z, and the last letter in the English alphabet. We have already posted a lot of videos on our YouTube channel and Facebook. So for more videos, you can follow us through all social media channels like YouTube, Facebook, and other social media. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.